This, not only gorgeous, it's also delicious. Hey friends, welcome to the party. I'm Michelle and I'm here to help you invite your friends over more and stress less. Summer is here and that means lots of backyard get-togethers that are gonna be hot. To cool off, you're gonna want a drink that is super refreshing, can be made ahead of time, and is just delightful. Today, we are gonna make a sparkling blueberry lemonade that checks all of those boxes. Let's do it. First, we're gonna make a blueberry syrup with 2 cups of blueberries, like 10 ounces worth. And then we need a cup of sugar. That's about right. Let's, You know me. Cup of sugar, and then a half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, just to keep everything nice and balanced. All right, so we're gonna cook this over medium heat until the sugar's dissolved and the blueberries have fully burst. You can smush them along the sides too, once you get going. Let it do its thing. Stir every once in a while. All right, so our syrup is cooked and now we just need to strain it. Careful, because it's hot. Or you can wait until it cools a little bit, but I find that straining it while it's hot is actually easier, for the actual syrup. All right, so smush all that good blueberry juice out of here. And the reason we do this is because we just, don't want to chew on any weird blueberry stuff in our drink. I'm not into chewing on a drink. Now here's the thing. I want to do a double strain because I only have this tiny fine mesh sieve. So I did it once to get all the big chunks out, right? And then I'm gonna do it again with this tiny guy to make sure there really aren't any seeds in there. If you can, get a big one because this is gonna take me forever. And if you got a big guy, you can just use it from the get-go, but I don't. So suffer with me. All right, gorgeous. So this needs to cool completely before we use it to make our delicious sparkling blueberry lemonade. So I'm gonna pop it in the fridge. It's lemonade, so obviously we need some lemons. Try to use fresh lemons if you can. If you can't, ultimately use whatever makes you happy. It's all good. Oops, let's cut this the right way. Pay attention. Oh, we are out of cup. Woo! So now we just need to mix everything together. Lemon juice. This blueberry syrup is nice and chilled. And then to make it sparkling, we have 4 cups. We're gonna add in 4 cups of sparkling water. Now, if you're gonna make this ahead of time, you can totally do the lemon juice and the blueberry syrup, and then right before serving, just, top it off with some sparkling water of choice. All right. Oh my God, I'm trying to do too many things at once. That's right. Nice and slow, Michelle. Ooh, it's so bubbly. All right, all that's left is to pour myself a glass, a little ice, a lot of ice. You could throw some blueberries in there if you want to get really fun and crazy. Oh, so pretty. So in love. Okay, so this looks So good. And if you think it looks awesome also, you should check out my other drink recipes right here. Check them out. All right, so let's take a sip. So good. The blueberries there, it's tart, so refreshing.